You have often seen white hairs on your head. What is the reason behind this? Let's have a look. Your hairs are made up of keratin protein, which is colorless. Your body has hair follicles, which are small sacs that line skin cells. Hair follicles have pigment cells known as melanin. Melanin is the pigment that gives your hair color, red, black or brown. White hair happens when your hair follicles lose melanin. If your hair is turning white at a younger age, it could be caused by genetics or an underlying health condition. White hair is more noticeable in people with a darker hair color. Although white hair is characteristic of aging, colorless hair strands can appear at any age, even while you're still in high school or college. If you're a teenager or in your 20s, you might find one or more strands of white hair. Here are common causes of premature white hair. 1. Genetics. 2. Stress. 3. Autoimmune disease. 4. Thyroid disorder. 5. Vitamin B12 deficiency. 6. Smoking. Thanks for watching.